Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and the display's native resolution so you don't fight scaling. First, check the cable and port, HDMI or DisplayPort preserves higher resolutions versus VGA. Once done, open your OS display settings and identify the monitor. This tells you the default native resolution like 1920x 1080. Make sure graphics drivers are up to date before changing anything. Outdated drivers can hide available modes or force incorrect scaling. Now change the resolution and scaling to match the monitor's native settings so images remain sharp. You select the native resolution in display settings and immediately observe clarity. If text is tiny, increase scaling to the recommended % rather than lowering resolution. Once done, open Advanced Display Adapter Properties to verify refresh rate and GPU output format. If your monitor supports custom modes, create a custom resolution as a last resort, but proceed carefully to avoid unstable refresh rates or finish by applying your changes and confirming they stick. Your OS will usually prompt to keep or revert, so accept only if the display is stable. Make sure the GPU control panel does not override OS settings. Check NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel settings for resolution or scaling locks. If problems persist, swap cables or try a different port or monitor to isolate whether the issue is cable, monitor, or GPU. If the screen goes blank, wait for revert or reboot in safe mode to restore usable settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.